cancer.
What?
I have cancer. What do you want me to say? When did this happen?
The first thing I did this morning was sneeze
4
times.